This month is Teen Dating Violence Awareness Month, and this year's theme is Love is Respect. Tonight, we're taking a deep dive into just how prevalent this issue is and why it's often overlooked. The folks at TESSA working to raise awareness about teen dating violence, and it's a much bigger issue than you might think.
1 in 3 teens experience some type of abuse, whether that's physical, sexual, or emotional abuse.
TESSA works to help all victims of domestic violence, sex assault, stalking, and human trafficking in El Paso and Teller counties. They provide shelter with a 34-bed safe house, access to legal support and advocates, and they have a 24/7 safe line victims can call. And they've seen those calls rise due to the pandemic.
In a normal month, in a normal year, when we're not in a global pandemic, we see around 800 calls a month into our safe line, and we have been steadily seeing those calls between 12 and 1,300 calls a month.
CEO Ann Markley says the isolation played a big part since offenders use that tactic a lot anyway. Megan McHugh, the Youth and Children's Program Manager at TESSA, says the cycle of violence can start as early as 12, 13, 14 years old.
Are there controlling behaviors? Are they putting you down? Are they isolating you? Are they taking away some of your privacy? Are they, controlling who you're talking with, when you're going out, what you're wearing, what you're allowed to wear?
TESSA says 81% of parents surveyed said teen dating violence isn't a thing, but half of those same parents couldn't identify red flags. Sadly, only 2/3 of teens tell someone about the abuse, and it not only affects them, but their family, friends, teachers, communities.
We need to really talk about it and get this conversation going, because if we're not talking about it, our youth aren't going to feel safe talking about it either.
TESSA is working to get into schools to help with prevention, help teens know their boundaries, teaching them what healthy relationships look like, and to let them know there are people they can talk to, and they can stop the cycle in its track. And TESSA is currently working with districts 2, 8, 11, and 14. They have that 24/7 helpline. They also have an online chat feature on their website. Kids over 15 years old can use that too. We have all that information, many more resources as well, posted for you, KOAA.com.